Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in these occasions, I would like to present about the individual excitement based on the opinion learning video related to the night meeting material. And this is kinds of the talks from course managerial economics from the lecture Miss Dorothy Rauliha Panjaitan SAMSE. And before I present about it, let me introduce myself first. My name is Tinezia Sri Chandani and my student ID number is Y991011001 and I'm part of student from Management International. So let's begin from the first topic. It's talk about the market structure. In definitions, market structure is the best defined as the organizational and other characteristic of a market. And there are some of elements of the market structures include the number and size of sellers, entry and exit barriers, and nature of product, price, and selling cost. And economic market structures can be grouped into four categories, such as the first is perfect competitions, second is monopolistic competitions, and oligopoly and monopoly. Talk about the perfect competitions. In economic theory, a perfect competition occurs when all companies sell identical products. Market shares doesn't influence price. Companies are able to enter or exit without barrier. Buyer have perfect or full information, and company cannot determine prices. Based on the curves, you can see as the industry price is determined by interactions of supply and demand, leading to a price of PE. And next point is the individual firm will maximize output where MR equals MC at Q1. In the long term, firms will make a normal profit. This is kinds of the example from the perfect competitions. Example is agricultural markets. In some cases, there are several farmers selling identical products to the market or many buyers, and at the market it is easy to compare prices. Therefore, agricultural markets often get close to perfect competitions. And next, we talk about the monopoly. Monopoly is a market situation in which there is one only seller of a product with barriers to entry of others. And it have a characteristic include profit maximize, price maker, high barriers and to entry and single seller and price discriminations. A monopoly is a firm who is the sellers of its product and where there are no close substitutes. An unregulated monopoly has market power and can influence prices. Like the example, Microsoft and Windows, De Beers and Diamonds, your local natural gas company. And next is about the dead weight loss of monopoly. Dead weight loss of monopoly is restricting output into the market, charging a higher price than in more competitive market, and reducing consumer surplus and economic welfare, and restricting choice of consumers, reducing consumers sovereignty. And the monopoly pricing creates a dead weight loss because the firm forgets transactions with the customer. The dead weight loss in the potential gains that didn't go to the producer or the customers. And next is about the monopolistic competitions. Monopolistic competitions is a type of market structure where many companies are present in an industry and they produce similar or differentiated products. Monopolistic competitions occurs when an industry has many firms offering products that are similar but not identical. Unlike a monopoly, these firms have little power to set curtail supplies or raise prices to increase profit. Like the example, restaurants. Restaurants compete on quality of foods as much as price. Product differentiation is a key element of the business. There are relatively low barriers to entry in settings up a new restaurant. It divided into the short run and the long run. The first curve is about the short run. In the short run, the diagram from monopolistic competitions is the same as for a monopoly. The firm maximizes profit where MR equal MC. This is output Q1 and the price P1, leading to the supernormal profit. And the next curve is about the long run. And demand and curve shifts to the left due to new firms entering to the market. In the long run, supernormal profit encourages new firms to enter. This reduces demand for existing firms and lead to the normal profit. And that's all my presentations for the market structures. And thank you for attention. I closed. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.